Generally speaking, is August a slow month? When I was doing some research, it seemed to be the case. Yeah, so summer's typically a slow month for a lot of different businesses. Obviously, if you have a business that's selling summer dresses, I mean, even August is a little bit late for that kind of stuff. But if you have a business selling ice cream, it's a hot day, shit, you can do well, right? But typically, August is a slow month purely because people are out of the house, people are on their holidays. So if you're in the UK, a lot of people are in Europe, right? They're not at home, so they're not ordering stuff because they don't want stuff to not come when they're like, you know what I mean, right? Like you don't want to order something when you're on holiday and wait for it to come back. You want that instant gratification. You want it to come 2 days time. So mix that with people are spending on stuff on experience. People are spending stuff on going to Italy or going to fucking mini golf. Typically for e-commerce, it's a slow month. Yeah, it depends on the niche, but typically it's one of the slowest months. Summer is typically very slow. But then September's a good month. Well, September's better. October's very strong on Etsy. November, December is very strong as well. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.